Check, check. Yo, yo. All right. Good afternoon. Hola. How we doing? How are we doing today? Happy Thursday, man. Happy Thursday, man. It is an absolutely wonderful day. We are green on the day so far. If you're just tuning in, be sure to hit that like button, come in the comment section, say what's up, tell me how you doing on the day. Let's see some P&Ls. Let's see all the vibes today, chat. We need them. We absolutely need them. We absolutely need all of them. Holy. So if you just tuning in, be sure to hit that like button right off the rip. That way we just get the likes up immediately, chat. Absolutely immediately. Chat, we already got the Celsius. Celsius is on deck. We vibing. We are absolutely vibing. NASDAQ really just hovering up here in the IB high. NASDAQ hovering IB high levels right now. Hovering IB high levels right now. G-Man, yo, yo, what's up? How you doing? Oops, there we go. Sorry, there's a little bit of echo. G-Man, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Nitant says, good luck, man. Good luck to you as well. Absolutely good luck to you as well. Chat, what are we going to get this afternoon, man? Are we going to get an absolute banger move to the upside above 46s? Or are we going to just kind of consolidate here at IB high and make a decision on whether we want to go down or up? We will see. I think there's a room to either direction, to be honest. I think we have room to either end. It is interesting. Trying to look for levels that make sense for us to sell down or find support on. What up, Kay? How you doing? How you doing, girl? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Not really seeing anything that I like so far, but the afternoon is young. We still have a good, what, 2.5 hours or so before market close. So we have some time, baby. We have some absolute time. So far, we are up on the day, chat. We are up on the day. Oh no, why is my, hang on, it's not synced. Resync. Hello. Resync for me. Resync for me. There we go. So far, we are up on the day. We've taken one trade today. We're up 270. Pretty much just got back yesterday's loss so far. We'll see if the afternoon brings up anything that's worth taking, but we are nice and green on the day. It's kind of been of a slow week. The winning days this week have been kind of a little bit small. A lot of one and done trades that are just, $200 trades that we've been taking. But we've had a kind of a, in my opinion, a weird week. It's been, CPI, PPI. We've had other news, and it's like the price action has been a little bit weird for me. It was definitely a size down week this week, or if I traded full size, it was take smaller trades, look for 10 points and get out or so, 10 or 12 points. Basically what we did today and pretty much every other day this week, except for obviously Wednesday when we had a red day. But can't complain. I mean, this month has been a good month, been nice and green almost every day, despite yesterday. So we'll see if we can get, if this afternoon brings anything that we can raise up today's P&L a little bit, make up for, some smaller days. And then obviously tomorrow we'll see what we can do. Fridays are typically my worst days, so we may not be trading a whole lot on Friday or sizing up, but we'll see if this afternoon brings anything for us to get a little bit more P&L on the day. NASDAQ is trying to rip straight back up here, bouncing off IB high, potentially going back up to the highs. We'll see though. Trying to be nice to you. I even liked you. Holy moly. K coming in with the like. You absolutely love to see it. You love it. You love it. You love it. I love it. If you guys are just tuning in, you haven't already, do me a favor, smash that like buttons, get the likes up on the stream, man. Get the likes up on the stream for the absolute vibes. So we need all the vibes we can catch today. Absolutely every single one of them. Chat, cool thing about the personal account, we're up 13% in the personal account over the course of 2 months of trading it. We're up 13%, chat. I mean, that's pretty damn good if you ask me. You start an account and then within 2 months you're up 13%. I mean, hey, can you really complain about that? I mean, that's better gains than what most people can do. Better than what most people can do, man. And that's only 2 months. Imagine what if we continue to trade well over the course of an entire year, how much our account's going to be up. We have broken back above 24,000. 24,000. See if we hold above here. Oh shit, chat. Hang on. I need to check something to make sure. I need to make sure a link is working in the description of the live video here. Oh, let's see. With Thrivent, your financial. Hang on, chat. Oh my gosh, it's not working. Chat, what the hell? Hang on. Why is it not working? Edit. Save. There we go. All right, that should be working. There we go. Kay says chat roll call. Holy, I know we got some quiet people today. We got some quiet people today. That's okay. I've noticed that, chat. I've noticed that sometimes we'll have like a lot of viewers in here, and then like a lot of people like to lurk and just kind of chill and not really say much, and that's okay. That's okay. We got some lurkers. Some lurkers. Absolutely lurking. In the shadows. Lurking behind the scenes. Back 60 says, good afternoon. What happened to the 24-hour stream? There was some unfortunate news that happened in the world that kind of put a damper on the mood, and we're gonna have to we had to push back the 24-hour stream. So I'm sure you've heard what's going on in the world. It just was not worth streaming. Wasn't worth it. But chat, we will reschedule the 24-hour stream. We are going to do it. I will do it. For sure. I'm just going to find a different day that works best. All right, is this where the NASDAQ is going to try to sell off, or are we creating a higher low right here and going to move to the highs, chat? That's what we're going to be watching for. We are going to be absolutely watching to see what we can get if the afternoon brings any good opportunities. So far, I'm not really seeing much. But maybe, just maybe, we catch some good opportunity. Just maybe, chat. I think we only catch good opportunity if you guys hit the like button. I think that's it. That's a secret sauce right there, is you guys have to hit the like button for us to find good opportunity. You know what I mean, chat? We don't really have a whole lot of liquidity on Bookmap either, though. I mean, there's just really not much happening. Not much happening in the markets right now. And it could be, too, just the fact that we just had a CPI release, and so the market could just be digesting the info, right? I mean, we see that happen a lot. A lot of times CPI come out, we get a couple big moves, and then market will try to just digest the information and consolidate or move kind of slow. I'm hoping next week we get some better PA, because this week was definitely a little bit tricky. I don't think we have any news the rest of the day either. You'll see. Yeah, we don't really have news the rest of the day. Tomorrow we have Michigan sentiment. That'll move the market a little bit, or at least inject a little bit of volatility. But that's really it for the news tomorrow. What up, Josh? Power hour dump seems most likely. Maybe. We'll see. We got a lot of time. We can be patient. Sit back, relax, enjoy the candlesticks. And then see what the afternoon brings us. Chat, I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for this weekend, bro. I'm ready for the weekend. Like, I'm ready to just kind of chill. You know what I mean? It's been a week. It's been a brutal one. You know, all the news in the world. The markets haven't been good. PA has been kind of weird. I'm ready for a weekend reset. You know, it's definitely needed. Tomorrow night, I'm going to see the new Conjuring movie. Maybe go out to dinner. Saturday morning, I'm going out on the lake, going fishing. It's going to be a nice little reset weekend, chat. Definitely going to be needed. Also, this goes back to say, like, I don't understand how some traders are like, I hate the weekends. I can't make money. I'm like, bro, I need the weekends. I absolutely need the weekends. Like, they're needed. They're just, you can't not need it. Like, we need the weekends. I love horror movies. I do too. They're my favorite movies. And like lately, we have not had any good like horror scary movies. Like, they've not been good. They've been bad. Like, it's gonna be hard for like any scary movie or series to top the Conjuring movies. Like, you really just can't do it, because I mean, they're based off true stories. The storyline's so good. The jump scares and the are so good. Like, they're good. They're really fucking good. And it just, I don't know. I really don't think anything is gonna beat the Conjuring movies. It's gonna take a lot. Like, I've watched pretty much every Conjuring movie multiple times. You having a bored, like a bored evening, got some food, not doing shit, watch a Conjuring movie. You're gonna be all right. It's gonna take care of you. Holy. Get that significant other, right? Get up on the couch, order a pizza, watch a Conjuring movie. You're gonna be good. It's gonna be a good night. NASDAQ trading up into 29s, trying to work its way back up into those 40s. Get those highs up in the 40s there. So we'll be watching to see if those 40s play out. What I would love to see happen, chat, and this is one scenario that could happen. I would love to see us like work our way up here, get a nice move higher off these highs, displays higher here, and then bang. That's what I would love to see. And then I would love to take that short right there at 40 and just catch this thing coming down right down to VWAP. That's what I would love to see happen. I don't know about you guys, but that is a dream scenario. Dream scenario. Take out highs, reject them, and flush it. That's what we want to see, chat. How you guys looking on the day, man? Are y'all green, red, purple? Let's see some P&Ls. What's the P&Ls like on the day, chat? What's the vibes, bro? Y'all quiet. Why y'all so quiet? Y'all are being weird. Stop being weird. Man, PA is fire today. So good. Haven't taken a single thing. The PA is dog shit, brother. Absolute dog shit. It's not been good. Not been good at all. Back 60 says green. Holy, you love to see it. It's so bad. It really is. Like this whole week has been just kind of shit PA, honestly. And I've sized down, or if I haven't sized down, I've started taking smaller trades just because I'm trying to manage risk. Like it's so bad. It's not a week that, you know, you can hit massive trades. And there's going to be weeks like that too. Like, especially as I've traded a personal account, I've noticed there's going to be weeks where I am going to size way down because PA is just that bad. But then there's going to be weeks that I'm going to size up because PA is so good and I'm able to actually catch some really good trades. But that's just something I've noticed. Like, and where traders have to learn how to adapt is if the PA is that bad, the PA is not good. You know, what can you do to protect your risk? When the PA is good, what can you do as a trader to capitalize off of it? And this week is definitely has been a defensive week for me, for sure. And every trader is going to have those. I bet you are sized down, bro. Okay. Holy. Okay. Need to relax. Y'all know what you're talking about. Yeah, I've really traded this week, honestly, especially on fundeds. Yep, it's been a brutal one. Been an absolute brutal. This time, it's not going to be me saying off the wall shit. It's going to be Kay saying some off the wall shit. I don't know. I might get to the point where I'm just saying some off the wall things. We never know. You never know where I'm going to be. I might get to that stage, so we'll see. We'll see. See how the rest of the afternoon goes. Have to see how the rest of the afternoon goes. I'm pretty sure Kay sits around her phone and waits for the notification for me to go live. I'm pretty sure she does. Just so she can come in and just make fun of me. Like it's like her day. It's on the schedule. When she is scheduling out her days, it is wait for Joe to go live, make fun of him, repeat the next day. Like that's her daily schedule. That's the daily. You are here, Kay. Hey, listen, I do appreciate you. I really do. I really do. I appreciate you being here. You keep things interesting in the chat for sure. Appreciate you being here. Amy O. Oksana. Oh, Anthony's wife. What up, Anthony's wife? Been trading futures for almost 3 years, and this is the first week I've traded 1 to 3 micros ever. Let's go. Hey, listen, that's a good point to be in your trading, right? Good point. When you know when you need to size down and protect your risk, protect your capital. Look, that's a turning point. Listen, there's not very many people that are there or can get there or will ever get there, right? That's a defining moment when you can be like, yo, PA is not great. I need to size down and protect my risk. Because chat, the market's going to be here. There's going to be another opportunity. Like the market's maybe better next week, the week after. You just never know. Like the market's going to get better. So it's okay to play defense some weeks and offense others. So way to go on sizing down. And he says, that's my wife. We got wifey in the chat. Holy. Kay says, learn when it's hard. Other days will be easier. Absolutely. They will be. They will 100% be. There will be some easier days, chat. Go hard when the market is easy. Go easy when the market is hard. Y'all know the deal. That's what we do. We've been watching videos on chefs cooking instead. It's so bad. Hey, listen. If you can't cook in the markets, might as well go cook in the kitchen. You know what I mean? Golly. Chef Anthony, yo, I'm coming over. Where's the invite? What are we having for dinner? Golly. Oh, man. Chat, if the markets are slow, we might be getting to that point. We might, listen, I can't guarantee, just as a disclaimer, I can't guarantee, things that I'm going to say that aren't going to be wild. Like I might say some wild stuff today just because the markets are boring. Holy. Holy, it's coming soon. You already know it's coming soon. Yeah, I'm gonna get. Trust me. Listen, I'm gonna get merch that has Holy on it. All right. But here's the thing: is like you already know you can't say it any other way. Like it's you. Every time you read Holy, you're gonna think of me, right? You're gonna think of how I say it. But yeah, we're not gonna do just any merch, right? Every other trader, influencer, whatever, they do all these merches. They do like hoodies and hats and t-shirts, right? I'm gonna do socks. We're gonna have merch socks, chat, and on the big toe where it's where the toe goes, on the big toe it's gonna say Holy. Listen, I don't make the rules, right? I don't make the rules. Merch socks coming soon. NASDAQ is trying to are we just slow grinding up here? What are we doing? Oops. What are we doing? We are just absolutely consolidating, chat, going absolutely nowhere. We are seeing a little bit of selling. I am keen to take shorts just because I don't really, I don't know how much I like the idea of price continuing this move up here. I am leaning a little bit more towards the short side. I'm just trying to find a little bit of confluence and a good entry to take the short on. But let me tell you, we're going to be sized out. I'm talking like 3 micros. And that's it. 3 of them. 3 of them. Get a nice little candle here. I would like to see all this get engulfed. If we get engulfed here, that'll be a good sign of weakness and we can start looking for an entry on a short. Ultimately, I would like to see us fail this IB level here. I would love to see IB high fail. If we can get a failure there, I think we're going to be sitting pretty if the price come down to VWAP. I think it's looking pretty good too. Looking pretty good to engulf this. This is on a 5-minute. Looking at the 1. Yeah, chat. I like the shorts a lot. A lot. A lot. Just need to find a good entry here. I want to see this pull back a little bit, get a move back up before breaking 24,000. I don't want this to break 24,000 on me right now. That would not be ideal. Would not be ideal. But I'm loving the weakness here. Loving the weakness. This thing is just trying to move without us, chat. Trying to move without us. We want to see this thing pull back a little bit. Give us a better entry. Trader 007's in the building. What's up? How you doing? How you doing? She trying to go, baby, holy. Very slow, MQ. Yes, price action is very slow. It's not been great. Not been great. All right, we're looking like we're going to fail this IB high, chat. We just need to get an entry. This thing is really not giving us an entry yet so far. Trying to be a little patient with it to see if we get one. But it's looking like it really wants to try to fail this IB high here. I mean, she is trying to move right now. Trying to move. We got what we wanted as far as all of this getting engulfed. Nice nice candle down here, nice move engulfing all of this consolidation. Definitely want to see this pull back a little bit to give us a better entry to fail this IB high here. I'd like to see it move back into like maybe the 20s. We're really going to take this on 3 micros. See if we get a good entry here. Okay, I like this entry enough to take it. Good risk to reward here. So we're short 3. Only 3 micros. Very small. Not risking a whole lot. Risking 18 points. 18-point risk. One thing we don't want to see happen here is this end up being just a recovery bounce off IB high here and go send this to the highs. That won't be ideal, but we're sized way down on this, so we can tolerate a move against this here. It's not going to be any big deal. Not going to be a huge deal. Might even move this up a little bit. We can tolerate a pullback, maybe like up in the 39s. I feel like if we get back to the 39s, then we're probably going to go run the highs, and at that point, definitely the trade will definitely be invalidated. We're only down about 5 points here. Only 5 points to draw down. See if sellers can get us back down here. About 4 points of drawdown. Nothing too crazy. Price kind of just chilling here in the 20s. Chilling in the 20s. Getting a little bit of a buy up here. A little bit of a buy ski. The magical 20s. Sound like somebody watched TBM. We're getting a little bit of a push up here. Not what you love to see. About 9 points, 10 points of heat here. Kind of not really loving this trade anymore. I wasn't really expecting us to have that strong of a buy up off initial balance high, just given this weakness here. But we really caught some buyers, which is surprising. Surprising that we caught the buyers that we did. About 12 points of heat here. Really trying to move up. Really trying to move up. Trying to be patient with it, but I'm definitely losing my patience. Probably going to kill this before it takes my stop, though. Unless it just jets up right now. What are we, about 14 to 17 points of heat? Yeah, we're just going to kill it, chat. I'm just going to get out of it before it hits my stop. We're getting too strong of buyers for me to actually stay in that and to let it go tap me out. And it's just too strong. So that's an interesting bounce, man. I'm actually really shocked that we bounced like that, just given the fact that we had a lot of selling and engulfing a lot of this consolidation here. That was a really interesting bounce off IB high. Right there. Bounce off IB. I mean, just straight up. Oops. Just straight to the upside. Sorry, we're up 150. We still up on the day. 150. What up, Andrew? How you doing, man? How you doing? May just need to wait now until we just get some sort of move out of this range. Might just have to wait till we get some move out of the range. Like, look at this. I mean, this 1 5-minute candle engulfing all of this. I was real confident in us moving down. Real confident. Unfortunately, market had other plans. We also had an interesting FVG right here too for all the ICT FVG traders. I thought maybe too we'd come up into that and reject out of it. Instead, we just inverse it. Interesting. Very interesting. Be wild if we actually now sell off and go down below IB high here. That would be a wild one. We have about 2 hours till market close. We got plenty of day, plenty of afternoon left. Chat, y'all are quiet today. Y'all are quieter than usual. Y'all just chilling. Y'all had a day. Y'all just like relax. Y'all got your feet up on the couch with a beer in hand. Like, what's up? Y'all are quiet today, bro. In drawdown right now. It happens. Veronica says, I'm trying to concentrate. Oh, y'all must be like focused or something, bro. Y'all definitely like, y'all just like, y'all quiet. So yeah, I mean, y'all must be focusing right now. I don't know. I don't know what y'all doing, but y'all must be just straight up focused right now. Market maker Mario's in the building. What's up, dude? How you doing? How you doing? All right, are we going to go up and just rip highs here, or are we going to sell off? What are we going to do, chat? Or are we just going to consolidate and do absolutely nothing? What's the vibes? What's the vibes? Two small losses, 250 and 500 today. Traded ES, got 4. Nice. GG's. You love that. You absolutely love it. Monday and Wednesday were not for me. Those were the lost days. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah. Yesterday was a loss for me too. Monday, small win. Monday, Tuesday, small win. Wednesday, small loss. Today, we're slightly up. Ever so slightly. We're going to give price an opportunity to move and present opportunities and try to give us a trade again. But so far, not loving it. Not really loving it. Been pretty bad. Feels like there's just one, a ton of indecision in the market, and two, very low volume. Very, very low volume. This bounce off IB high here makes me think that we want to go up and test these highs again, but man, I don't know. I don't know, just the lack of movement, lack of volume in the market. I feel like it could go either direction. Either way. How are we doing today? We're slightly green on the day. Slightly green. Trying to see if something shows itself. This afternoon, but so far I'm not entirely convinced. Man. Buyers are trying to send it, but like I said, just no volume. I feel like we could, if we get above these highs, we could get a big, pretty decent jump. I would love to see these highs get taken out, though. If we can get these highs taken out, we might be able to find a good trade. I would like to see all of this get taken. I mean, look at this, dude. This is just brutal, PA. Brutal. I hope you guys aren't trading this. Not the PA to be trading. Charts are off. Smart. Very smart. Just hanging out. That is the way to be right now, because this is not it. I thought maybe we get some good, like we'd step up maybe during the afternoon and get some decent PA, but so far, nah. Nah. Negative. Oh my. Oh my. Maybe MOCs. Maybe. Maybe. Because this ain't good. Not good. It's just, there is so much indecision here, chat. This is just not, this PA is just absolutely horrible. Oh my God, it is just absolute dog shit. Absolute. I mean, look at this. Look at these moves, dude. I mean, just all these just wicks and jumps and retracements and all the fucking just annoying shit that you don't want to deal with as a trader. So bad. It's like, if you're gonna sell, just sell. Like, just straight up, just fucking dump it. You know what I mean? Just send it into the fucking ground. That's it. Send it into the ground. Sally manual force trades or force trades and moves like this. Yeah, 100%. There's definitely people out there forcing shit right now. Been holding a sell since 11:30ish. Holy. That is a long trade. Long one. Patient approach, you had a big part to do with that. I love that. Absolutely love that. Send it into the ground, NASDAQ. Just do it. Send it straight into the ground. Or just send it straight back up to whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do, NASDAQ, just do it. I hope we get some better PA tomorrow, chat, because if we don't, it might be an early week for me. It might be an early week. It very much might be a boat day tomorrow if we don't get some better PA. I mean, it's like it wants to send it to the ground and then we just buy straight back up again. Like, look at these wicks. Look at the wicks. Look at the wicks on the 5-minute. Like, even on the 5-minute, these wicks are just so bad. Sell your soul, NASDAQ. You've done it before. Holy. Tell them. Let them know. Let the NASDAQ know. Send it into the ground. Do us all a favor and just send it to the ground. Once again, just wicks. Wicks. Wicks everywhere. Just wick everything. I'm holding because nothing has closed in my entry zone. It's being defended pretty hard. I'm up like 500, so it might close early, but shit. I've been holding so long, might as well ride it out. I mean, if you feel like you should take profit, don't be afraid to take profit. There's nothing wrong with taking profits. Not a single thing wrong with it. See profit, take profit when it's like this. Yeah, 100%. I agree. I agree. Just buying right back up. Crazy. Crazy. It's like it just wants to send it to the ground and then buyers step right back in and buy it straight back up. It is absolutely wild. But the greed, 100%. The greed gets everybody. It's always the greed. YM was nice. I don't really watch YM. In fact, I don't think I ever watch it. I maybe have taken like a couple peeks at it, but I've never really watched YM that much. Is this thing really about to buy back up? Holy moly. Buying right back up. That is crazy. I probably traded YM once ever. Same. In fact, I don't even know if I have traded it, chat. I don't think I've ever traded YM. I don't even know how it moves. Like I don't even know. I don't even know the point values on a YM. That's how much I've paid attention to YM. I know absolutely nothing about it. Uh-oh, we're gonna Naz, you gonna send it to the ground again? Naz gonna try to send it to straight into the ground? Do I avoid AM sessions? No, I trade AM sessions. Traded today. Traded it yesterday. Trying to send it to the ground and buys right back up. Chat, look at this dirty 5-minute candle. Dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. I actually prefer trading AM sessions for this reason right here. Prefer it. We are just going nowhere. I mean, NASDAQ acted like it wanted to sit into the ground. Nothing. Nothing. AM is my favorite. My two best setups appeared 20 minutes after open. And 50 minutes after open most of the time makes it easy for me to focus and lock in. Love that. Absolutely love it. Love it. Hopefully Power Hour gives us a better, better PA to trade, better move. So far, we're kind of just in this range here. I mean, NASDAQ, a lot of wicks, just wicking. Definite lack of follow through on the NASDAQ. Let's see what ES is doing. ES, oops. ES is definitely kind of accumulating here. A lot of accumulation on the ES here. ES saw a nice move up though. I mean, it looks a lot cleaner than the NAS, that's for sure. A lot cleaner. Just pretty much since 11 o'clock, it's just been sideways, not really doing a whole lot. Nothing much happening. I mean, yeah, look at the move up on the NAS here. And look at the move on the ES. Look at how much cleaner that is on the ES versus the NAS. The NAS looks like a roller coaster compared to the ES. Holy. Oh, you guys can't. Can you not see that? Actually, oh yeah, you can. There you go. Straight up roller coaster on the NASDAQ versus the ES. Chat, are you guys trading tomorrow? Who's trading tomorrow? Who's taking tomorrow off? Anybody just taking tomorrow off? After 10 a.m. news, John says, I'll be trading. Quang says, yes. I'm going to see how PA goes. I'll be live tomorrow morning for the morning session, but I'll see how PA goes. If it's something that's worth trading. I'll be trading all day, every day. Must get my money back. Holy. Yikes. Starting with London Open, finish the week strong. Holy, you love to see it. You love to see it. Next week's interesting. Witching day for options and FOMC, right? Yeah, we do have FOMC next week. Let's see. Yeah, on the 17th, we have FOMC. So that's what, Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday. 17th, we have Wednesday. We have FOMC on Wednesday next week. I hear you, Bax. Yeah, Fridays aren't really great for me either. Colby, what up? Am I enjoying the 4-hour 40-point range? No, I am not. I am absolutely not. In fact, I am very much over that, over this whole range and consolidation. I'm over it. Don't know what it's called, but people switching to December contracts mean rollover. So far, still doing nothing. Still doing nothing, chat. Buyer's trying to send us back up a little bit. We have these highs here at 35. Again, perfect world scenario, chat, is if we could just take this out here and then, you know, just take it out and then catch weakness after it. Like, that would be ideal. That would present, I think, a really good opportunity for shorts. Really good op. Bookmap doesn't really have a whole lot on it. Bookmap also looking pretty thin. There's a little bit of liquidity stacked higher up at 50. Small portion stacked down at 24,000 even. How's the wedge going? What do you mean? It's about the wedge here on the NAS? Right now we're just kind of in the middle, doing nothing. Doing absolutely nothing. How's it going in my personal account? We are up about 13% in the account. Not trading tops up anymore? No, not really. The profit on my trade with is Tradeify. Tradeify. Uh-oh, buyer's trying to step up a little bit. All right, Mario, be safe. Be safe. PA is where the cool people hang out. I want to go to PA. Yo, let me cop a flight real quick. You hope Tradeify gives a good promo discount on the launch of Project X over the weekend. They might. I don't know. We'll see. We will absolutely see. Luna. What up, Luna? Long and strong, baby. Holy. You love to hear it. You absolutely love to hear it. What strategies do you suggest for the afternoon? Well, whatever strategy keeps you, makes you money. Like strategy doesn't ever change, right? Doesn't ever change. Now, if you're talking position sizing, that could change, right? Your strategy for how much size and risk you put on can change, but the trades that you take shouldn't change. You should always look for the same strategies, whether it's morning or afternoon, it doesn't matter, right? Even though morning might have more volatility than the afternoon, that doesn't mean you should change your trading strategy in the afternoon. The only thing that you might change is your position sizing. You should have 1 to 2 good strategies that you know and feel comfortable with, and should take those when you see them. But you should never change the way you trade in the afternoon unless it is position sizing. Full port in the afternoon. Holy. Golly. Nice, Luna. Nice. NASDAQ just looks stuck. I mean, it is barely moving, chat. Golly. Barely moving. Oh, Kay's back. Back like she never left. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. I'm here. What do you want? She says, I'm back. Grav, bro. Not gonna happen in my chat, dog. Not gonna happen. G-Man, best looking ball guy. Holy. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Try to use that title. I don't gotta try to use it. It's claimed. It's over with. Best looking bald guy on the internet. I mean, you don't really, it doesn't get any better than this. Doesn't get any better than this. All right, buyers are just running us here. Buyers are absolutely running it. There it goes. Trying to pop these highs here. Bowser might be dropping the ban hammer. Oh yeah, he's banned. I banned him. Yo, Jammy here for the giveaways. Holy. Only here for the giveaways, chat, you bunch of freeloaders. Bunch of freeloaders in my chat. Only here for the giveaways. Who got banned? Grav for dropping the N-word in my chat. We've seen enough bullshit in the world, so I'm feeling real heavy on the bans. I don't give a fuck. The ban. Listen, the ban button's feeling real heavy today. Might be real heavy for a long time. Did someone say no, you freeloaders? I didn't say. Listen, I didn't say I was going to give away that chat. What are y'all talking about? Is that all y'all use me for? Legit. Chat, think about it for a second. Is that all y'all use me for? Y'all come in here, y'all make fun of me, and then ask me for giveaways? Like, do y'all just use me? Is that what this is about? I just sent an ad. I didn't send it. That was YouTube sending it. I haven't sent one yet, but I will. G-Man says I'm here to watch the ads. Veronica says it's how we show our love. I definitely feel the love. I definitely feel the love. G-Man, you gotta get that YouTube premium, bro. Just get the premium. You ain't got to deal with it. You won't have to deal with the ads no more. I was going to get the premium, but I spent money on joining here. Hey, listen, it's money well spent joining here. If you are a member of the channel, it is money well spent because y'all are going to get that exclusive content, baby. Holy members of the channel getting absolutely exclusive content starting actually tomorrow. So you don't want to miss that. Tomorrow, members only video comes out. So if you are a member of the channel, get ready, buckle in, strap up, because you're going to be getting some exclusive content. We view you as our master. Holy Master Joey, holy. Type of videos I'm planning, it's going to be all around my personal account, things that I'm doing, learning, and like really deep diving into, because I have a lot to talk about on my personal account, chat. Just given the fact that it is a personal account, I feel like there's a learning experience for everybody there. So that's what it's going to be around. Really my personal, not as much on like the technical side of things, because y'all really don't want to learn, like y'all don't need to learn strategies or technicals. Y'all can read charts, right? Really just around like the approach of trading and personal and the mental side of things, right? The psychology side of things, like all of that good stuff. All the good stuff. Oh, price looking like she want to go straight back up. Interesting. Interesting. Am I ever going back to PW? He invites me. I'll go back to the BDH. If he slings that invite. Mr. Chicago Sean King in the building says, hit that like button now, folks. Yes, y'all heard it here first. Mr. Chicago Sean King telling you guys to hit the like button, bro. I don't even know what you guys are doing. We got 31 likes, 54 people. I don't even know why we haven't hit the like button, but you know what? It's up to you guys. Mr. Sean Chicago King, bro. Sean Chicago King coming into the chat. Oh. Send it into the ground, NASDAQ. Send it straight down. Nobody wants the NASDAQ up here. Just send it straight down. Straight down. Straight into the ground. Luna just sent a gifted member. Check your notifications because you just got gifted a membership. Holy Luna, appreciate you. Check your notifications because you just got gifted a free membership to the YouTube channel for 1 month. Meaning you're going to get that exclusive content for 1 month. Dump to 800. That's a long dump. That would be sending it straight to the ground. Straight into the ground. That's fine by me though. Just dump it. Send it straight down. Dump it all the way. Dump it below 24,000. That's what we all want to see here. Dump it below 24,000. You consider trade market open and power hour over trading? No, I don't. I mean, if you take like one good trade, 2 good trades in the morning, right? And then you see a setup that presents itself in the afternoon, there's nothing wrong with taking it. It's not over trading. Unless you're just like severely up on the day, like you're just really up and you've made some good money. Like, is there really a need to trade again? You know what I mean? That's how I look at it. I guess it would depend on like, what's your P&L? Are you really down? Are you really up? Are you break even? Like, I guess there's context there. You know what I mean? So that's what I would look at. You don't trade well during power hour? I don't really like the afternoons that much. I definitely trade better in the morning session. I read price a lot better. A lot of times during the afternoons, you get like this low volume movement and it's just not really the best because it makes things a little bit tougher to read price, especially when you get like all these wicks on the market. It's like the NASDAQ is wicking out a lot and you have these low volume moves and then like these low volume, like big jumps, you know what I mean? Where you take out like a huge level. It's just, I don't know, it can get kind of weird. Get a little weird. MNQ is on a relentless rise. It has been going. Yeah, I mean, buyers have been pretty persistent. All the dips have been getting bought. How do I see this scenario? I mean, I'm a little bearish on it, to be honest. I would like to see price come back down to, let's see. I mean, even like the 20s, maybe the 15s. I'm a little more bearish on it. Especially after we tested these highs up here. We didn't really break the highs, but catching weakness off testing the highs, I'm a little bit more bearish. G-Man, holy moly, $10. Golly. Appreciate the $10 dono, G-Man. Holy, G-Man coming in massively. Massively. G-Man just might be the best looking bald guy on the internet. Holy. I might have to give him the title for a day. He might just have to wear that title for a day, chat. Only for a day, though, G. Only for a day. One 24-hour stream. Well, it was going to be yesterday when we started, and we did until all of that news broke, and it just kind of put a damper on the day and just kind of changed the whole mood. So we're gonna do it though, chat. We will be doing the 24-hour stream. Just some unfortunate news in the world kind of put a damper on things. When's Luna coming on? I gotta figure out how to do it on Streamlabs because there's a way to do it, but also too, I have to figure out how to record the audio on my Mac. Because on a Mac Studio, like for Streamlabs, if I'm using Streamlabs in my Mac Studio, it doesn't record desktop audio. Like I have to have a third party's like software thing, plugin thing. So I'm gonna have to like toy with it and tinker with it and just figure out like how I can make it work. And then we're gonna bring on we'll probably bring on Luna and some other people. Only go on streams for a minimum of 10K. Well, I charge 20K to come on stream. So pay me 20 to come on, then I'll give you 10 for coming on, and we'll call it a day. In Windows PC. I used to be a Windows guy, holy. I used to have a like desktop gaming, like a gaming PC. And then I got rid of them. I had two of them. I got rid of them because I wanted to buy the studio. Got to bring on Krista again. Now it's just more established. Yeah, we'll bring on Krista too. Krista will be one of them. Luna, Krista, everybody. Might even bring on K. Miss Feline Futures. Feline Futures. Feline Futures, she got a streamer name going on, so I don't know. I think she wants to. I think Feline's acting like she wants to enter the trader space, the streaming space. I don't know though. Everybody on the stream getting tipsy. Chat, y'all remember that song, Holy? For God's sake, now just send it into the ground. Like, we're tired of this. We're absolutely tired of it. Do you think it's possible to make $100 every day on a 50K account you count on the personal account? Yeah, 100%. Not every day. You're gonna have a red day, but it's possible to make $100, you know, more than you lose. But you have to have really good risk management. But you're gonna have red days. You're not gonna be perfect every day. So, just to be clear on that, you're not gonna do it every day. You're gonna have days where you make a little less. You're gonna have days where you're red. But it's just really going to come down to how you manage your risk. Just drop already. That's what I'm saying, bro. Just send it to the ground. Like, it's like, oh, what are we doing? Why are we doing this? Like, just send it. Gonna start working on getting a personal account also. It's so worth it. So worth it. Like, you're building your own equity. Like, chat, use prop firms, right? Use prop firms to gain capital, right, to get payouts to then fund a personal account. That's what everybody should be doing. Plan on using AMP? Yes, I will be switching to AMP. I haven't done it yet, but I am planning to switch to AMP. What's AMP? It's another brokerage. Heard really good things about them. Man, NASDAQ just cannot sell. Like, every time it tries, buyers just come in and buy it right back up. It's crazy. Crazy. Like, just send it to the ground, bro. We're tired of this shit. Get us out. Send it into the ground. Get us out of this fucking range. Get us out of the range. Mine is short? No. It's not going down because I put a sell order on 24,021. Oh, okay. All right, market maker. Sounds good. Can we use Apex and TPT with AMP? You have to, if you're using a, actually, no, I don't think you can. Now I think about it. I don't think you can. I don't think you can. What do you think about top set brokerage? I don't know what to think about it. I don't even know what their plans are. I know they're turning into a brokerage, and you'll be able to use like Project X as like the broker. I don't know what the plans are. I have no idea what it's going to be like. Just have to see what happens when it happens. It's nibbling on your entry point sell. Nice. It's trying. It's trying. I just want to see it go into the ground. I wanted to get out of this range. This range is killing me. Hello, puppy in the background. Yeah, my dog's back here just chilling. Back there just chilling, being a puppy. He ain't no puppy no more. He's old. Copper is about, I think he's 10 now, actually. So he's getting old. Black Coffee Trader, how's it going? It's going. We're just slightly green on the day. Slightly. Not by a whole lot. Not by a whole lot. We just out here surviving this PA. Surviving. You create a wall of China at 21.50. Holy. Holy. Well, let's bust it down because we need this thing to come, like, just come down, like, just into the ground. Go to IB high. Go right back to IB high. That's what we want. We're sick of it. We're absolutely sick of it. This PA is garbage. Tomorrow will be garbage. Probably won't get any good movement until Wednesday. Maybe not. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see if tomorrow's any good. I really don't know if it will be. I'm trying to hang on for PA today to see if something shows up, but chat, we're getting so close to the end of the day that it might just be a time to call it. It might just be a time to call it, chat. It'd be funny if right after I call it, price starts to melt. It will, 100% guaranteed. G-Man knows. Every time I end stream, price goes crazy. It does. Like, I might do you guys a favor by ending stream. Actually. I might be doing you guys a huge favor. Can't last till EOD. I'm talking 24 hours. It's not the fact that I can't last. I can last. I'm just tired of this PA. This PA is garbage. Like, is this really worth sticking around and trading? I mean, literally, let's see, since Since 11 o'clock, chat, we have been in a 52-point range. $52-point range, chat, since 11 o'clock. Yikes. Yikes. Chat, if you're not already subbed to the channel, be sure to hit that sub button because we are live every single day. I am going to call it. I'm going to call it a day. This PA is garbage. There's nothing to do here. I'm just going to do you guys a favor. Go ahead and sign off so you guys can catch the massive PA that's going to happen when I sign off. So if you aren't already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button because we are live every single day, Monday through Friday. A lot of streams coming through. Especially next week. Tomorrow, we'll be live tomorrow morning. See how long we'll be live tomorrow. Remember, if you are members only, if you're a member of the YouTube channel, look out for the members only content coming tomorrow. And then what else? Continue trading, bro. Be patient, right? Don't trade this shit. This shit ain't worth it. It's not worth trading. Go outside, do something, be somebody. With that said, peace out. I'm gonna go buy some Rogaine, put it on the forehead. Yeah. Hope you guys have a good day. Cheers.